Nothing.
no habla inglés? Un poquito?
Yes.
How old are you? Your age?
20.
¿Tú?
Igual. Same.
20? Ah, y'all, beautiful.
Yo, que estás muy bonita.
Both. Dos.
I've been creeping and you ain't been the same. Like who been on your mind?
¿Cómo te llamo? ¿Cómo te llamo? Your name?
Barbie and
Melanie.
Melanie.
Melanie? Me? Poquito español, ¿sí? No.
From Mexico.
I wanna come to Mexico.
When?
But me, no friends in Mexico. You're my friends now?
Who you been
Yeah.
rocking with?
Tenemos friends ahora. Oh,
See?
friends now.
We
You
friends
have
now?
2 friends now.
I have 2 friends now?
Yes.
Dos mamacitas. See?
You used to be texting me, checking me, calling me your slime, and now you.
Yes.
See? Okay. Yo, Snapchat and Instagram.
We have Snap. No, I mean Insta.
Instagram? Okay. Yo, 2 and Instagram, okay?
Okay, ¿qué pasa su Insta?
Okay, text me.
Okay.
Sorry, now, uno minuto. How you say I love you in Spanish?
Te amo.
Me too. I love you too.
Used to be texting me, checking me, calling me your slime.
Te amo en español.
Oh.
Y le dije te amo. Dice, yo también.
It's good.
Okay.
Who got your time? Who you been vibing with? And